Hey guys, Eric from Eric and Jen's Excellent Adventures, and today we have a little maintenance project we got to do on the Casita. Um, our MaxxAir vent fan is not working properly. Basically, it's supposed to open. It's the automatic one. It's supposed to open when it gets to the top of its arc. It's supposed to just stop. Well, ours actually goes and it just keeps clicking because it keeps trying to go. Apparently it's a pretty common problem. The little gearbox that's up there strips out, so I got to be able to get up on the roof there and change it out. They sent some instructions with it. It looks like it's pretty simple fix, but we're gonna find out together, I guess. I'll take you inside here and I'll show you exactly what it's doing so you can see. Okay, so we have the automatic version of this fan, and this isn't necessarily just something that's a Casita thing. They put these fans in all kinds of RVs and stuff. So chances are, if you have a MaxxAir fan, you have one of either this one or the manual one. But basically, when you push the on button, that outside vent is supposed to stop, and it doesn't. It just keeps clicking like that. The same thing when you close it. It'll just keep on going. And you gotta grab the handle there and make it stop. So I'm gonna show you the little gearbox that I got as a replacement. They're not that expensive. It looks like it should be a quick fix. Okay, so this is the little gearbox that I got. I believe it was through Panther Products or something like that. I'll put the link in the description below. I tried to find it on Amazon, but I can only find the manual one and not the automatic. But this is it. Apparently sometimes these gears inside will either strip out or this whole housing will crack, and that's what causes it to not stop. So I'm gonna have to get up on the roof here and we'll get going. Okay, so step one is to go next door, steal your neighbor's ladder so you can get up on the roof. So, check. Alright, so I'm up here on the roof. I have the vent in the up position, the open position, and we have the rain guard, extra rain guard. So, you got to start by taking out just 2 Phillips screws right under the front edge here. So we're going to go ahead and take those 2 screws out, probably lose them, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so get that last screw out. That really dirty looking screen drops out. And now we should be able to open this farther. And that shows us the arms we need to get to. Let's see here. Alright, so there are 2 arms you need to get out of the track. One there, and one there, and of course that one popped back in. And just like that, we can open this all the way up. Now, oh good, more parts to lose. There's 2 little plastic bushings that go on the ends of these arms. Put that right where we'll never find them. Okay, let me get you in here. So if you look, there's that gear that I was showing you, and mine has a nice big crack right on top, and that's why it won't stop trying to open. So it looks like there's 2 screws, one on each side, and that spring on the arm, and it should come out. So that screw there, we'll never see it again. spring. Just push down, comes right off the arm. Oh, good. There's washers there. Definitely almost lost those. And the gear pops right up and out. And the arm slides right out. Oh, this thing's already, look at it, all fell apart. There's supposed to be all kinds of little pieces here. That's great. Alright, looks like I gotta take the spring off too. It's got a little nut on the back side and this screw. Let's take that off. Good thing I'm videoing this because I'll probably forget how this all goes back together. So now I have some reference to go and see. But look at that. The whole thing just fell right apart. Alright, now what do I do with the new one? Okay, got it here. For some reason the new one has a couple of screws in it. Don't know why, maybe just slightly different design. That's fine. Alright, so they give you this little bushing to go with the new gear. Slides on the end. The old one is still inside there. And I'm sure I probably won't be able to get it out. Ooh, almost had it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I guess it's better to be lucky than good. Alright. So that actually slides onto the little gears for the handle that's on the inside. Let me show you. Probably can't see, but down there, that goes to the this part here goes down to the handle. So this little bushing slides right on there. Okay, so I put the spring on. You can see it goes over this part here and goes straight up. Now, in the instructions it says to make sure you clock this center part counterclockwise to simulate the full open on the gearbox. You do that by turning this little piece here. That'll spin counterclockwise, and then you should be good. We'll put it back together now. Okay, now we have the spring on, it's clocked. We're gonna put it back into the fan shroud here. Arm goes into there. And I believe it was, let's see, make sure you got the right, yep. Okay, so that goes into that one. Get the spring on the arm. The little gears. There, you just slide right in there. Put our two screws in that hold the gearbox down. You got your two plastic bushings. Those go on the arms. And then those have to go into these brackets. That'll be fun. Alright. Those are in. Now, we just gotta put our two screws back in to hold the vent grate up, and no, I'm not gonna clean it because I'm lazy. Just like that, we're done. Let's go down and check it out and see if it works. Alright, well, let's see if our little fix worked. And there we go. It stopped like it should. Perfect. Okay, well, that wasn't too bad. Maybe 15-20 minutes tops. It's pretty simple to do. Most people could do this one. My hardest part was actually probably just getting up and down on the roof, because for those of you that have a Casita, you know what I'm talking about. It's not a flat roof. It's got a hump in the middle, so it's a little more difficult to get up and down the ladder that I stole from the neighbor, which I do need to go return that before he finds out. But other than that, I mean, you know, campers are like houses. Every now and again, stuff's gonna break and you gotta fix it. No big deal. But yeah, so until next time, remember to keep it between the mustard and the mayo. Bye.